Want to know how to create your own wine club? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So from here on the dashboard, let's go to our subscription plans menu. And from the subscription plans menu, let's click on plans. Now, on the plans menu, we don't have any wine clubs right now. So if you want to create a new one, let's click on the plus icon on the top right. So here you'll be able to set up your wine club. Now, let's go through each and every one of these really quickly. For the position, this is just basically if you have more than one wine club, what position do you want to rank your new wine club at? If it's active, this means that it's going to be active on your website and ready for people to subscribe. For the cycle, will you be billing people monthly, by quarterly? So it's up to you what to set this up to. If you want a limited cycle enabled, this will be enable your customers to give this as a gift, and it will end up after a certain cycle as well. So for example, if you set it at 6 months, basically your customers can buy this as a gift, and that cycle would end after 6 months. For the info, your friendly name would be the name of your wine club. For the description, this is the description your customers would see of what your wine club offers. For the cover image, of course, you can change this anytime you'd like. This is just a picture that would be put there and set as a placeholder for your wine club. Billing, basically when you're going to charge the invoices, if you're going to have a particular subscription day. For the pricing, you can put your display amount, your subtotal, and the tax amount. And you have the different fulfillment types as well. You have the pickup, delivery, or shipping. Just check whichever is applicable to you. All right, and once you're done with all of that, just go to the top and click on Submit. And there you have it. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.